Hello and welcome students to our YouTube channel Paper and Pen Mathematics for ICSC, ISC and CBSC. Students, our topic is differentiation. Given below are the formulas of differentiation. I request you to please pause the video and learn all the formulas. So students, we have learned the formulas of differentiation. Now let us understand what is the true meaning of differentiation. Differentiation actually means to find the derivative of a function. Now over here they have given one question. The question is y is equals to 3x square plus 5, where y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Value of y, or else you can say answer of y, depends upon the value of x. So y is the function of x. Now to find the derivative of y, that is differentiation of y, we have to write on differentiation of y with respect to x. So differentiation d by dx of y is equals to differentiation with respect to x of 3x square plus 5 whole raised to the power of 9. Now to do the differentiation of y, your answer will be dy by dx, and to find the differentiation of 3x square plus 5 whole raised to the power of 9, we have to assume that this bracket, that this term is x. So x raised to the power of 9. So the formula of x raised to the power of n, as we have studied, is n x raised to the power of n minus 1. So using that formula, it will be 9 power, that is x raised to the power of 9 minus 1. Then since this was not x, we have assumed this to be x, so we have to do differentiation of 3x square plus 5 without power. So dy by dx is equals to 9 3x square plus 5 whole raised to the power of 8. Then differentiation of 3x square, 3 is a number, so 3 will come out, that is a constant, and differentiation of x square plus d by dx of 5. So d by dx is equals to 9 3x square plus 5 whole raised to the power of 8. 3 differentiation of x square will be 2x plus differentiation of any constant and any number is 0. So dy by dx is equals to 9 3x square plus 5 whole raised to the power of 8. 3 2s are is 6x. Now 9 6s are 54. dy by dx is equals to 54x bracket open 3x square plus 5 whole raised to the power of 8. This is your answer. Let's see the next question. Y is equals to 2 cosec bx cube. Now on differentiation of y with respect to x, same line. So d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of 2 cosec bx cube. So differentiation of y will be dy by dx is equals to 2 is a constant, 2 will come out, d by dx of cosec bx cube. Now if you have studied the formula of cosec x, it gives you minus cosec x cot x, but over here x is not given to us, we have been provided with bx cube, so we will assume that this full thing is x. So using the formula, dy by dx is equals to 2 differentiation of cosec, and we are assuming this as x, so cosec x is minus cosec x, and what is your x? Bx cube dot cot x, which is your bx cube. Since it is not x, it is bx cube, so we have to do differentiation bx cube. Again, this is known as chain method. So dy by dx is equals to 2, or else you can write minus 2 cosec bx cube dot cot bx cube. B is a constant, so it will come out d by dx of, here dot means multiplication, d by dx of x cube. Now again, using the formula of x raised to the power of n, which is n x raised to the power of n minus 1, which we will be applying over here in x cube, it will be, power will come in front, that is 3, and power will reduce by 1, 3 minus 1 will give you 2. Now let's multiply, 3 2s are 6 b x square. So we are moving towards our answer, minus 3 2s are 6 b x square cosec bx cube dot cot bx cube. So this is your answer. Let's see the last question, which is y is equals to log 3 minus 7x. So again, on differentiation of y with respect to x, so d by dx, that is differentiation of y, is equals to d by dx differentiation of logarithmic function, which is log 3 minus 7x. Now we know that differentiation of log x, this is the formula, differentiation of log x is what? 1 upon x. So we will be using this formula, differentiation of y being dy by dx, differentiation of log x, so we have to assume this as x, so differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Now this is not actually x, but it is 3 minus 7x, so we have to do differentiation again, which is known as chain method, dy dx of 3 minus 7x. Okay, so dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 3 minus 7x dot. Now 3 is a constant and differentiation of constant is 0, minus differentiation of x will be 1. So we have got only 7. So dy by dx is equals to minus 7 whole divided by 3 minus 7x as an answer. So students, I hope you all have understood the concept.